So how could you set an alarm on a specific date on the iPhone? And let me show you some options you have available. And if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So at first, let's check out the clock app where you set up the alarms as usual, right? You can open up like these sections here and tap on an existing one to edit this. And you can basically choose when it's supposed to be repeated. So you can choose that this like alarm will go off every Monday, Tuesday, whatever. You decided that is something which you can find within the application right here. So you can create a brand new one for just the Thursdays, for example, right? So that is how you could find it or utilize the built-in app. However, if you just want to choose like, in 3 weeks from now, I want the alarm to go off on that occasion, technically a good way to do it is not through the clock app because we don't have that option, but you can go to the reminders app where you can start a new reminder, right? Choose a date and a time specifically for it, right? So just give it a title, whatever. And you would just want to make sure that it also goes off with the alarm, right? So when you go to the details, you should see that it should also give you the ability to set up the priority and also the other things in here as well. So you just want to make sure that it is like properly set up for that time, right? So that is something that you might be interested in. And that is going to deliver like the sound, right? And also like the notification on that day. So I guess this could count as setting alarm or a reminder for that date and a time. But if it still doesn't fulfill your needs, I would recommend you to get some app from the App Store for alarms. Specifically, for example, I like the one which is called Alarmy, which has a couple of like interesting features. I'm not like affiliated with them or anything, but I quite like the app, and there you can set up the alarms in a better way, and you can basically just get more stuff done with it, right? So that is something that you can do. Let me know about it below. If you manage to find it, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon in the next tutorials and explanations like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.